Okay, we got a 2019 Ford F-250. What we end up doing is a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. Okay, yeah, of course, this is a beautiful remote control. Who wants to install another alarm and carry another remote control? I mean, it can be done. We have to install a module, download the firmware and all that. But normally that's done for folks that don't have remote start and all that, and they want to do it that way. But in his case, he has everything in the key, remote start. You know, you pop this twice, it opens up the tailgate in the back. So he really doesn't need anything but to add the shock sensor, because they are busting windows. And of course, everybody in the world knows not to open any of the doors. So what they do, they break the window and jump in, and they try wiping you out inside. A lot of folks have shown that in the cameras, in their home cameras, how people are jumping in, and they even see their legs dangling out, you know, and trying to grab whatever they can from the center console. So yeah, this is incorporated. And then he went ahead and kicked it up a notch too, because a lot of times he's not going to be very close to the truck, so he wants to be able to get an alert in case he's inside Home Depot or whatever the situation is. It's going to send him a text message to his phone. Plus it has GPS, and he got lucky too. It came from factory. He gets the text message from the system that came from factory, but eventually, you know, those systems are pretty pricey, and eventually he gets the first year for free. But once that ran out, he'll probably just roll with my system. And we also gave him a pin switch to protect the back tailgate, because in case somebody opens up that tailgate, they are stealing tailgates, and they are opening tailgates and stealing those lights in the back, because they have those sensors that senses cars next to you, and those lights are very expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and fire off the alarm. Okay. We give him a nice little ringtone. If that doesn't wake the guy up in the middle of the night, then he's got another situation. But anyway, yeah, this is a shock sensor add-on. For those folks who have these type of trucks, you know, the shock sensor is one thing you can add on, and then the text alert module is another thing. You know, they're two different systems. Sometimes you can combine it. It gives you the map right there where the alarm was set off. And yeah, so you don't have to get the text alert and the GPS. I mean, you can always just do the shock sensor add-on, and we can protect the tailgate. And then if you decide that, you know, you're parking too far, or you're going to be away from the truck, and then we can always add that cellular module. This upgrade to this factory alarm system was installed here in Miami, Florida. We do come out to you. We have free mobile service. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And if you have these type of trucks, I wouldn't wait too long. These are hot trucks. They go after mirrors, they go after seats, they go after tailgates, they go after the rear lights, and sometimes I've seen them take that front grille. Thank you for watching this video. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist.